London town. Everything's come tumbling down. It never used to be this way. Now it's happening every day. Feeling afraid when you're on your deathbed and you reflect back on your life. How you helped the few get rich and the poor suffer out of sight. You did it for our own good. You did it for our safety. And all those other things that come to mind, you justify, you justify. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dum dum ba da dum dum ba da dum dum ba da dum dum ba da da da. You always justify. Dum dum ba da dum dum ba da dum dum ba da dum dum ba da da da. You always justify. Young boy's homeless now. In the army he had such power. He thought that he was on our side. It's what he wanted to do with his life before he saw the lies. When you're on your deathbed and you reflect back on your life. How you helped the few get rich and the poor suffer out of sight. You did it for our own good. You did it for our safety. And all those other things that come to mind, you justify, you justify. You always justify. You always justify. When you're on your deathbed and you reflect back on your life. How you helped the few get rich and the poor suffer out of sight. You did it for our own good. You justify. You justify. You always justify. You always justify. When you're on your deathbed and you reflect back on your life. How you helped the few get rich and the poor suffer out of sight. You did it for our own good. You did it for our safety. You always justify.
Good old days are gone. Good old days are gone. I know I'm not the only one. I can't be the only one that's feeling all the pressure. The good old days. I'm not the only one. I can't be the only one that's feeling all the pressure. The good old days are gone.
I feel it when I'm walking. No one says hi anymore, cause no one has time anymore. And I feel it when I'm looking for some food or a show or a game, scrolling through like all of it's the same. I feel it when I'm looking up the news like shit's so sad and I'm sitting here, nothing I can do. When I refresh on to the next, but the last thing hasn't gone away. How bad does this get? I feel it when my friends wanna tell them that I miss them so much and I wish we could relive it all again, but I never send a text and I wonder if I'm doing something wrong. Feeling like the good old days are gone.
Good old days are gone. Good old days are gone. I know I'm not the only one. I can't be the only one that's feeling all the pressure.
isolated. Is it normal to be wide awake at night and then be tired every morning? Cold in my middle like a microwave and anxious anytime I get a call. I mean surely not, but growing older meant we what it cost. Runaway train plus the brakes are falling off. All aboard, we're too late to call it off. There was a child who used to dream and hate to mourn the loss. Is it just me? Do you feel it too? Can we say enough please? Something that we need to do together. Feel like I've been on my own forever. I share that so that maybe we can change it for the better.
Good old days are gone. Good old days are gone. I know I'm not the only one. I can't be the only one that's feeling all the pressure. The good old days. I'm not the only one. I can't be the only one that's feeling all the pressure. The good old days are gone. I was watching in from the outside, saying silly things, trying to sound fly. Feel my heart pounding in my chest, though. Never thought you would be the downtime. Guess I made you smile with some.